Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a YouTube channel step by step, including the key optimization settings that most people miss that will help you maximize your results even if you're already started. So let's jump into it now. YouTube has become the second most popular search engine in the world. So it's no wonder that more and more people want to get on the platform and to learn how to make a YouTube channel of their own. So, with the right process and little optimization of some key channel settings, you can quickly set yourself up and your new channel up for success. Ready to maximize your views, your subscribers, and your traffic on YouTube. So, in this video, I'm gonna step through how to create a new YouTube channel along with all the key settings and that you need to maximize your results. Now, I really want to make sure that you are paying attention here because as we go through this, I'm going to be covering the top tips that we have to really help you optimize your channel and your content so that YouTube wants to promote it. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to youtube.com and click sign in on the top right corner and you're prompted to log in. So if you've already got a Google account or a Gmail address, this is where you will log in, and with that, if you want to associate with your your YouTube account, if you don't have one yet, then just click on create account down there and create one. Now, before we go any further in this tutorial, there are two types of channels that you need to be aware of. The first one is a personal channel, and that is linked to your personal Google or your personal Gmail account. And only you can access, or people who are logging into that exact account with that username and password are able to manage that YouTube channel. The other thing that to note with the personal channel is that the YouTube channel is going to be restricted to your account name, which in most cases is going to be your own name. But the second option, you have to create your Google channel instead of a personal channel as a brand channel. Now, when it comes to the brand channel, this is going to give you access to things like a custom channel name. So it doesn't need to just be your personal name, and you can also assign other people or other Google accounts as your channel managers on the channel. So you don't need to give your personal Google account login details to anyone that you want to or have help them with your channel. You can actually just grant them access with their login details to access your channel. So you'll need to select either a personal channel or a brand channel, but do note that you can switch from personal channel to a brand channel at a later date. If you like to change later, or if maybe you already set it up as a personal, you can convert it to a brand channel later. But what I would recommend is that you use a brand channel so that you can have multiple people managing the channel. So once you've signed into YouTube using your Google account, you can come up to the right hand corner of the little profile picture, and if you don't have a channel yet, this is the first time you're logging in, you can click here to create the channel. Now if you have already an existing channel, when you click on this, you'll be able to access your channel, but maybe you want to create a brand new brand channel. So that's all. You'll have to come down here to settings, then go over to add or manage your channels, and here it will show all the channels that you have already access to. You can create a new channel just by hitting the plus button on the top left hand corner. So going back over to your new channel setup, this is where it's asking us if we want to create a personal channel using our name, or if we want to use a custom name, which is creating a brand channel. So we are going to select a brand channel. Now, this is where you get to decide your YouTube channel name. Now, it's gonna be that you're still opting to use your personal name. And if you're going to go with your name, I would suggest that you try to keep it on topic or somehow related to the content that you are going to be adding on your channel. But do note that it is possible to change your channel name after you have set it up. So it's not much big of a deal. Okay, let's call this Kaizo Gaming. I understand I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings. So if we go create, it'll go through and do its thing. And then we are presented with this nice work. Your channel Kaizo Gaming has been created. It's giving us the next step here where it asks us to upload a profile picture. So we're just going to upload a picture where we're going to navigate through and find a picture. It'll put this up here. Once you've got your profile picture in, you can come down and they're asking you now to tell your viewers about your channel. So this is your YouTube channel description. So what you're going to add into this is a selection of few sentences or a short sharp paragraph including who you are, what your channel is about, and what viewers can expect from your channels. Now, a pro tip here is that you can actually optimize this to help your channel rank by adding some keywords and some key phrases around the content that you are going to cover here. So it's important that you add some of those keywords and key tags into the channel description and also to your channel tags, which we're going to get to soon, and also inside the videos. This is going to give you the best chances of getting your videos and your channel ranking up on YouTube faster. So here's our channel and our channel description. To give you guys an idea about the type of things that you need to put here, we've got bit of an intro. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Big Faction Consultancy Private Limited, introducing the company and what we do. We're talking about our company and how we use this channel to educate and give information. We ask people to subscribe and if they think that it's fit for them. And we have links to our other social media platforms. But you can see this description, we got a few keywords that are related to the company and its capabilities. So customer service, promotion, product listing, etc. So this is stuff that we will read well for a human, but also helps YouTube understand what your channel is going to be about. So the sake of the channel that we are creating now, I'm just gonna copy and paste the description that we have already pre-made for the new one. Next up, we're gonna add links to our sites and social media profiles. So we'll add in our websites here and we can give it a name. We'll add our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and save and continue. Okay, when that's complete, the next thing that you will want to do is to verify your channel. This is going to unlock some extra features and things here. So you want to come up again to your profile image, come down to settings down here to your channel status and features. You can see these are different things that you can unlock for your channel. The first step to unlocking these is verifying your channel. So we are here verified. Next, you want to come through, select your country, enter your number. You can either do it with an automated voice message or you can get a text message sent to your phone. Then enter the verification code to your channel and now it's verified. So it doesn't take much to verify your channel and you can see it's straight anyway. We have access now for custom thumbnails, external annotations, and we can upload longer videos, and we can also upload videos as unlisted and as private. So once that's done, you want to go through and set up your actual channel. If we go up here to return to YouTube Studios, we'll then go to our actual channel. So we'll come up here to view your channel option and over to the customize option. This is where we can add in our channel art of our branding to make this look and feel like our brand. I'm just gonna go here. This is where you get to upload a photo. So let's pick this one here and yeah, now you can adjust and crop your image. So you know that YouTube on different platforms like desktop, TV, mobiles have different sizes. Here is a size chart for so that you guys can know what size will show where, and you can crop your image to look nice on all devices. Okay, cool. Let's hit select and now you can upload your YouTube channel art. So if we go over to the about page here again, you obviously see our description in here. But there's some other details that we can add down here as well. So for business inquiries, we could add an email address that makes it easy for people to find an email address to contact us. So if you want to add a location for your channel, you can do this here as well. So from here, we're going to go back to the YouTube Studio dashboard, down to the bottom to settings, and then go on down under the channel. And here there are more settings to customize your channel first. So we're going to go first to this one here, branding. So this is a little branding watermark that you can add to your videos. It also acts as a subscribe button, so you could just use your profile picture, or you can make some little small subscribe button. So for us, I'm just going to choose an image. I have a little YouTube watermark subscription button here, so which looks just like this. So something really basic, and then you get to choose where you want it displayed. So whether it's on screen, on the entire screen, whether it starts at 5 seconds in, or whether it's only shown at the end. So we're going to leave it here, and it starts about 5 seconds in, because that's going to be after any ads or anything. It shows at the bottom of your video. And if we come back across to here, this is where we'll be able to add some keywords or some key tags associated with our channel. Again, to show YouTube that what our channel and what our content is about, and give it everything it needs to best show our channel and our videos up to search results and on the YouTube platform. So it could be you're starting off with something obvious ones here, like Kaizo Gaming, gaming video. So I'm just going to press the comma button, and then it applies it as a tag. It could be video marketing, you could be YouTube or business, video editing, filming on iPhone, filming on Android. You get to the point where there are things that people could search for potentially to find your channel. So only add tags that are relevant to your channel. Don't add spam ones or the ones that may be a hot topic right now. You really just want to add the ones that are relevant to your channel. So below that, we've got upload defaults. Now this is where you start to streamline your upload process. So every time you upload a video, these could be the default values that are added to each one of your videos. So for the most part, I would say that you leave the title and description empty, because they are gonna relate to each video. But maybe you're gonna have settings like every video that you uploaded are gonna go up to private first, and then while you set it up, you can release the video in your own time. Likewise with tags, if there's some tags that you're going to apply to every one of your videos, like in our case it could be something like Kaizo Gaming or Kaizo, we can add those in here, and they're going to show up automatically when we upload every video. And there's more upload defaults under advanced settings around here about licensing and allowing comments, and those sort of things that you can lock down as well. So those are the main settings in there that you will want to go through. So we'll just hit save and then back out of that. So now that your channel is pretty close to being set up, we can go through and add in any managers or any other accounts that we would like to have as a manager on your channel. So to do that, we come back to your profile picture and head to YouTube, just to take you back to the YouTube dashboard. And then when we click on profile picture, you're going to get more options. So if we then come down to settings, then you can add and remove managers down and under your channel. Just click here and you can assign people to be your managers on your channel. Now while we are on this page, I will also show you view advanced settings in here. So in here, this is where it gives you your user ID, your channel ID, in case you need those to link up to things like TubeBuddy or other YouTube channel management tools, which we use and strongly recommend. And the other things that are on this page in this is where you come to set your custom URL once your channel has been approved for it. So for example, we could have something like youtube.com/Kaizo Gaming. It is better to send this than a bunch of random numbers or letters to people. So if you go back to our channel page now, this channel is now set up and ready to go and upload your content. All you need to do now is to then film some videos and come up here and hit upload video, and you're good to go. So that's a complete walkthrough on creating and setting up your YouTube channel. And that's the extra strategy that we use. I hope that this video will help you out. Please use these tips and tricks too to make sure that your YouTube channel is amazing, and good luck. Thank you, and follow us for more. And please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.